Hello techies, welcome back to Python tutorials. In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to install Python with the latest version. As we know, Python is a versatile language which can be used in many applications. You can write Python code using shell for small projects. However, if you want to work on larger projects, it is recommended to use dedicated code editor or an IDE. Now, we'll see what are the IDEs and code editors are available for the Python. A code editor is a tool that is used to write and edit code. They are usually lightweight and can be great for learning purpose. However, once your program gets larger, you need to test and debug your code. In that case, we use IDE. What is IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which understands your code much better than a text editor. It usually provides features such as build automation, code linting, testing, and debugging. If you see on my screen, we are having Python IDE and code editors which are popular in the market. Let me explain you briefly one by one about all these Python IDE and code editors in a single line. First of all, we'll start with Pydev. Pydev is free, platform independent, and promotes excellent integrity with Eclipse Universe. Next one, Pycharm. Pycharm is an IDE for professional developers. It is created by JetBrains, a company known for creating great software development tools. Next one, Visual Studio Code. VS Code is a free and open source IDE created by Microsoft that can be used for Python development. You can add extensions to create a Python development environment as per your need in Visual Studio Code. It provides features such as intelligent code completion, linting for potential errors, debugging, unit testing, and many more. Next one, Spider. Spider is an open source IDE usually used for scientific development. The easiest way to get up and running up with Spider is by installing Anaconda distribution. Next one, Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a popular code editor that supports many languages including Python. It is fast, high customizable, and has huge community. Next one, Atom. Atom is an open source code editor developed by GitHub that can be used for Python development, which is similar to Sublime Text. Atom includes most of the functionalities of basic IDE. Atom developers are working on the integration of the major programming languages such as Rust or Go. If you see from all these IDEs and code editors, I will suggest Pycharm as the best IDE for the Python. Now, I will show you how to install Pycharm for the Python development. Now, to install Pycharm IDE, search for Pycharm download on Google, and you will find www.jetbrains.com, which is the official website for the Pycharm. Alright, let's open the Pycharm. There are two versions of Pycharm. One is Community Edition, another one is Professional. Professional is the paid version and having full-featured IDE with support for the web development as well. If you see over here, I'm having Professional for both scientific and web Python development with HTML, JS, and SQL support also. And if you see, we are having Community Edition, which is for free open source version and lightweight and good for Python and scientific development also. Now, we are going to download Pycharm for the Community Edition. If you see over here, I'm having Windows, Mac, Linux. Now, based on your OS also, you are going to select which kind of version you are looking for the Pycharm. You can go ahead and you can download it. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to download Pycharm for Windows with the Community Edition. Let's click on download. Now, it will get downloading Pycharm. It will take a little bit time to download the Pycharm software. Once it has been downloaded, has been successfully completed, double click on the Pycharm Community Edition. To install the Pycharm on your local computer. Alright. If you see over here, once you click on the Pycharm, it will start installing the Pycharm on your desktop. First of all, when you are going for the setup, then you will get welcome Pycharm Community Edition setup. Click on next, and it will ask the path where you want to install the Pycharm. By default, I am having C program files, JetBrains Pycharm Community Edition. Let's click on next. And if you see over here, do you want to create a shortcut? If you want, you can go ahead and you can select it. And after that, you can see over here, update path variable, restart needed. You can select that add launcher directly to the path also. Click on select. And then you can see over here, it will get JetBrains over here in the startup menu. Click on install for the Pycharm Community Edition. It will take a little bit time to install. After completion of the Pycharm edition setup, we'll get a message like, I want to reboot it manually or reboot now. So that's the mean that Pycharm has been installed successfully on our computer. Let's click on finish. Now we are ready to develop our Python code by using Pycharm. Thank you for watching Python tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day.